Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I am a member of Shivi Forensic. Today I am going to talking about cybersecurity. In today's digital world, we use mobile, laptop and the internet every day. Because of this, cybersecurity has become more important to protect our data and privacy. In this presentation, I'll explain basic cybercrime and cybersecurity concept in a simple way. Cyber forensic, also known as digital forensic, is a scientific method used to find and analyze digital evidence. In simple words, cyber forensic means collecting and examining data from computer, mobile phone, and network to solve crime. It helps investigators find proof in cases like hacking, online fraud, cyber stalking, and data theft, which can later be used in court. A Trojan horse is an example of malware. Trojan horse like a normal or useful software, but in real life it contains harmful code. When a user installs it, hacker can steal data, control the system, or create backdoor. So basically, it cheats the user by pretending to be safe. Hacking means gaining unauthorized access to a computer system. Hackers break into system to steal information, modify data, or sometimes destroy it. This is done without the owner permission, which make it illegal. Spamming. Send unwanted bulk emails is called spamming. These emails are usually advertisements or fake messages sent to many people at once. Spamming can slow down network and also spread malware. Hate speech. Online content that promote violence or hate against a group is called hate speech. It includes abusive content based on religion, caste, gender, and race. Hate speech can seriously harm individual and society and is punishable by law. Super zipping refers to the unauthorized use of a system utility tool to gain high-level access. It is mostly an insider cybercrime where someone misuses a special system privilege to bypass security. Phishing is a cybercrime where attackers trick people into sharing personal information. They use fake emails, message, or website to steal password, bank details, OTP, or card information. Many online fraud happen because of phishing. Cyberstalking means repeated online harassment of a person. It includes monitoring someone's activity, sending threatened message, or tracking them online continuously. Cyberstalking can seriously affect a person's mental health. Pornography. Publishing sexual explicit content online is called pornography. It becomes illegal when it involves minors. Cyber law strictly deal with such crimes. A virus is a program that attaches itself to another file and spread when the file is open. It needs a host file to work and can damage system, delete data, or slow down performance. A worm is different from a virus because it does not need a host. Worm spread automatically through a network can cause network slowdown and even system crash. Malware means malicious software. It is generally termed that includes virus, worms, Trojan horse, and ransomware. All these are designed to harm system to steal data. Section 66E of the IT Act 2000 deals with a violation of privacy. It punishes capture and sharing image of a person's private area without their consent. This law helps protect personal dignity and privacy. To conclude, cybersecurity is very important in today's digital era. Understanding cybercrime helps us stay safe online and also help in preventing misuse of technology. Thank you so much for listening.